Hi guys! In this video I'll show you a few tips and tricks on how to create better videos using CapCut. Just keep in mind guys that this video is designed for complete beginners. If you know how to use this app, just skip the video or click on the card above. With all this said, let's go into the CapCut and let's see what's going on. Start new project and import the footage or pictures that you want to use. Select one of them and click on Animation from the Selection tab below and select Combo. Then start applying animations to your project. To apply the animation to another clip or picture, you just need to click on it and it becomes selected. If you take a closer look at the animations bar, it will show you what will be done with your project if you select it. Don't rush choosing the animations, because there are so many different ones, you will always come across something new. At the very end of your timeline, there's a watermark clip of CapCut. If you wish, you can delete it, just like I did here. It's time to review what we've done so far. Some of the pictures do not fill full frame. To fix that, select the picture and zoom in on it so there are no more black sides. And one last review before saving the project. So there you have it. These are only few steps on how to create better videos using CapCut. I hope you found this helpful and it helped you in your journey. If you ever wondered how to make your 2D pictures look like 3D, I made a tutorial about that, so don't run away and click on the end screen at the end of the video. And as always guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.